In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit the display and brightness available here. Now scroll again and this time click on Screen Refresh Rate available here. Finally, click on the best one for you in order to apply it. Auto Select, Standard or High. Quick tip, if you decided to select High, you can also tap on App Specific Refresh Rate. Click on any app and pick refresh rate for it over here. When you finished, go back and all of your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!